Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure your plan is active and there's no carrier outage, because network issues are often external. Next, power down and remove the SIM, check for damage and reseat it firmly, then restart. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 15 seconds to force a fresh network scan. These first actions eliminate common physical and account causes quickly, so you can move on to settings if the problem persists. You now dive into settings because misconfigured APN or radio preferences usually cause service failures. Open mobile network settings and confirm the APN fields match your carrier's exact values, incorrect characters, or missing entries block data. If unsure, reset network settings to clear bad profiles, then re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Also switch preferred network to 4G or LTE and disable data saver. This ensures the radio seeks the correct data mode and lets you test. You finish by updating carrier settings and the phone OS because vendors push fixes that restore service. If updates don't help, swap SIMs between phones to isolate a faulty SIM or modem. A working SIM in another phone points to a hardware issue. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If the problem still exists, contact carrier tech support. This is the key troubleshooting tip, since provisioning or SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.